This is the Manscaped Toolbox 4.0 and a no BS review for the modern man. So today we're going to tackle this 4.0 toolbox, and I know you're probably thinking Manscaped and that stuff generally designed for down there, but this is really a versatile kit. It is good for head to toe, the whole thing. I have been hard at work growing stuff out, making myself a mess so I could do a good demonstration for you of all these different products individually so you know what you're talking about. I do need to tell you this was provided to me by Manscaped, but they gave me no instructions. They're just like, we got cool stuff, let me send you the package, you tell them what you think, and that's what we're gonna do today. What do you say we start the conversation with the Lawnmower 4.0? Now that one is specifically designed for down below, and this thing is, I think I have the Lawnmower 1.0. The 4.0 is a significant improvement. They just keep refining and making things better. It's got the ceramic blades, which are designed to stop the nicks and cuts and all that kind of stuff nobody likes down there. And additionally, it has a hydrophobic coating, which makes cleaning and maintenance easier. I'll come back at the end, give you an actual review after I've kind of cleaned up this mess. So the Weed Whacker 2.0 is designed for the nose hair, the ear hair, and it has a rotary blade so it doesn't yank anything, it just trims it all off. And additionally, it is also waterproof, so you could use this in the shower just as well as standing in front of the mirror. So with the Plow 2.0, we are upgrading our game. We're going beyond trimming and we're going to make things smooth and beautiful, right? So this is a single-edge safety razor, which is designed to really give you a great feel in your hand, comfortably give you the ability to get a really nice close shave. I think we're gonna have to test this one out so I can let you know exactly how it works out. This is the Shears 2.0. This is a 4-piece nail kit because nobody wants to see terrible raggedy nails. Like nobody, not even your guy friends wanna see that. So with this, you can keep those nails looking groomed and nice and attractive looking. Again, we'll give it a little bit of shot. I forgot to grow out my nails and make them look messy, but I'm gonna give it a shot, let you know what I think. Finally, we have the Shed, which is a water-resistant travel bag, and it is great. I don't even know what it's made out of. Obviously, it's not leather, but it has that great kind of feel. It is roomy. You can see it opens up, has a lot of room, has side pockets in it, and it just looks so much more nice and neat to store your stuff like this instead of scrambled all over the countertop. No lady wants to see that. In summary, all 5 of these things come together in this one kit. I'm gonna go clean this mess up, and I'll come back and I'll let you know what the experience was like. All right, I'm just checking back in to give you my final summary on this. It's been a little while, and I have to tell you a couple things. Number one, Nikki absolutely loved the bag. She's like, oh, that's so great. I get you out of my stuff. You got your own bag. Looks nice, organized, all that kind of stuff. The nail kit is so nice to use, actually high quality pieces. The lawnmower, the hedge clipper, all of this stuff is such high quality. And as I think I alluded to in some of the earlier conversations, I've had earlier versions of this, and every single one of these is a serious upgrade, like worth buying the upgraded. Like they just operate so well, especially that razor. That razor is so nice to hold and so nice to work with, confidence inspiring and kind of like good looking too, like manly good looking. In any case, if you're looking for a great gift or a gift for yourself, this set is absolutely phenomenal. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.